let me show you a really cool interactive screen recorder that's gonna make your videos really pop out. It's called Tela, and that's what I'm gonna use right now to show you. So I'm recording my screen to show you how Tela actually works. Now, check this out. So this is Tela. I have it open. It's installed on my Mac, and I have several options that I want to show you. First of all, I can select the microphone that I'm gonna use, the camera that I'm gonna use in case I have several cameras, and I have the option to record the whole screen or a selected area. On this video, I'm gonna record a selected area just to show you how it actually works and it's going to look. So let me go ahead and select this area. So select area, here we go. And I'm gonna select this right here, okay? So let's just say that I'm gonna make a tutorial of ChatGPT and I wanna show you what's going on there, okay? Now, I can start recording right away, but I'm not gonna do so. I'm gonna show you something else that's really cool. Now, in the options for Tela, there's a little option that says notes. Every single screen recorder should have something like this, but they don't, okay? So this little note right here, it says, remember to say this, and I can write whatever I want. Okay, now what's so unique about this? Well, if I have it on top of the area that I'm gonna record, it's not gonna appear on the video. So I can put it here, on the side, on top of me, on top of wherever I want, and it's not going to record these notes, but I can go ahead and look at it when I need to, okay? So I'm gonna leave it, well, right here, so you can see that it's not going to record it. So if I like what I have right now, I'm gonna start recording. Here we go, here's the countdown, and boom. Okay, so I'm recording right now, hypothetically, and this is me, you can see myself. Here's my ChatGPT, and I can say something that I want to record that I'm gonna be talking about in the tutorial. So let's just say, how to fix WP blank screen, okay? Whatever, I'm just showing you something like this, blah, blah, blah. I can continue and you're gonna view this, etc., etc. All right. So let's just wait for that to finish really quickly. Okay, there we go. It's finished. I'm gonna start recording. Let's just say that that was what I needed to record. I can go ahead and record a second video for something else and it'll add it to here. So right now I have a 1. It can change to 2, 3, depending on the videos that I add. And you can do so as you want. Okay. So let's just say that I'm ready. I'm gonna click on preview. Boom, it's gonna open up the Tela editor. Well, first of all, you're able to preview this video. And boom, okay. Okay, so that's a quick preview. You can see how it looks, but I mean, this is just a preview. What I wanna actually do is customize this. So I'm gonna go into edit. Here we go, and in the editor, I'll have a ton of options to change the view, customization, and all that good stuff. So let me click play, and boom, okay. So I'm recording right now, hypothetically. Okay, let me jump into this space. See how it's showing that recording there? And I'm here. Okay, so what else can I do? I can trim the video, which is, I mean, something pretty obvious. I can zoom into sections. So let's just say that where I start typing, where is that? Okay, a little bit behind. Here we go. So I'm gonna add a zoom there. So in that zoom section, there we go. I'm gonna do it slow speed and let's see how it looks. That I'm gonna be talking about in the tutorial. So let's just say, okay, let's change the zoom and here we go. And let's go back. Let's go ahead and play it again. I'm gonna be talking about in the tutorial. So let's just say, how to fix WP. All right, that's easy, right? I can do so and add another zoom here if I like. And let's just say I'm done with zooms. Let's go ahead and finish. I can re-record if I like. I can change the layout. So right now, this is my layout. I can change myself to the left. I can do it this way, that way, etc. Just select any layout that you want. Now, aside from selecting the layout, which is this one is my favorite, left or right, I can actually change stuff here. So I can go ahead and move it here. So I don't have to stick with what I have. I'll just use the layout to help me get something really quickly and then do whatever I want. Okay, so actually I want to leave it like it is, but you have the option to change that. You can also change the background. So that one is a little bit nicer in my terms, but you can change whatever you want. You can change other backgrounds, colors, gradients, or upload your own background if you like. There's the borders, so you can see it's rounded off. I can make it square, round, change the style if I like. You can see that there. Changes it up a bit, apply to clips. In this case, I don't like that, so I'll remove it. I like it just like that. It looks really clean, okay? There's the mirror cam if you need to do that. See how it changes, okay? You can crop the screen if you like to change different formats, and you can change the size. So let's just say that your video is not going to be the standard one, so it's gonna be portrait. You can change it there, and check how easy this is. So I'm gonna do that there, change it like that, and boom, and boom. Okay, and you're gonna view this. Check that out, etc., etc. All right. So let's wait for. So right now I have a video that's ready to export, and it's in portrait mode for story, for Instagram, for TikTok, etc. Really easily. And there's also the square mode in case you want to use this for I don't know, Instagram, which is more like a square kind of thing, and just like resize things if you need to. And if you're done, let's go ahead and finish. You're good to go. We can go ahead and share it. Okay, we can go ahead and email, embed, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and channels. Those options. We can also edit subtitles, view settings. So if you need to change this, enable captions by default, enable comments, show view count, edit subtitles, or just go ahead and download this and take it somewhere else. Just upload it wherever you want. So you can upload in 4K resolution when you're on the pro mode. So yes, I do want that. Separate clips, no, I just want one video. And burnt in subtitles. That's if you actually want to use that. You can get start and export. So just like that, you have a great looking video that's going to look unique and different to what anyone else is doing. So instead of doing your traditional videos that just has the whole screen and doesn't look that nice, this one looks really interesting when you have it this way. So there you go. If you want to check out Tela, link will be provided in the description, and go check it out.